सामने थे पाकिस्तान आर्मी के 3000 सैनिक विद ए लार्ज पाकिस्तानी कॉलम ऑफ टैंक्स, आर्मर्ड पर्सनल कैरियर्स एंड इन्फेंट्री मूविंग टुवर्ड्स लोंगेवाला। पर पाकिस्तान आर्मीज फुल आर्मर्ड रेजिमेंट of around 3000 troops with Major Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri के फौलादी इरादों के आगे हार गई। Major Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri was holding a small border post of Longewala with about 120 soldiers of 23 Punjab Regiment and some BSF men। जब on 4 December 1971 की शाम को चांदपुरी फॉरवर्ड पेट्रोल एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन ने डिटेक्ट किया a large Pakistani column of tanks, armored personal carriers and infantry moving towards Longewala। मेजर कुलदीप सिंह चांदपुरी जी ने सिचुएशन रिपोर्ट की टू हिज हाई हेडक्वार्टर्स, जिन्होंने उनको ऑप्शन दिया टू अबंडन हिज पोस्ट ड्यू टू इम्बैलेंस ऑफ फोर्सेस, बट मेजर चांदपुरी जी ने डिसाइड किया टू होल्ड हिज पोजीशन एंड फाइट। रिफ्यूजिंग विड्रॉल, he organized a rapid defense layout. Existing sand dunes, shallow trenches and bunkers were strengthened and available anti-tank recoil guns were sited on likely tank approaches। टाइम और रिसोर्सेज दोनों ही उनके पास नहीं थे, फिर भी उन्होंने इम्प्रोवाइज करते हुए एंटी टैंक माइंस को इस तरह से बिछाया कि दुश्मन को लगा कि आगे हर जगह एंटी टैंक माइंस बिछी हुई हैं। एंड इवन अ सिंगल बार्ब्ड वायर स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इंडियन पोजीशन, जिसको अंधेरे में देखकर पाकिस्तानी फौज को ऐसे लगा जैसे हेवी माइनफील्ड blocked their way and forced them to bunch up and slow down। Pakistani armor or infantry during the night of 4th and 5th December opened intense fire with tanks and artillery trying repeatedly to overrun the post from multiple directions। Major Chandpuri continuously move कर रहे थे between bunkers and weapon pits under heavy fire, encouraging his men, correcting fields of fire and personally directing anti-tank and machine guns engagements which prevented panic and helped maintain steady defensive rate of fire। Pakistani tanks, misled by supposed minefield, became bogged down, allowing Indian RCL guns and infantry anti-tank teams to pick targets at closer ranges। Because Longewala had not fallen by first light on 5th December, Chandpuri ji ने coordinate किया with higher command for air support, and the Indian Air Force diverted Hunter and Marut aircraft from Jaisalmer to attack the stalled Pakistani column। Throughout these airstrikes, his company maintained contact, marked enemy positions and continued ground fire, enabled aircraft to repeatedly hit tanks, vehicles and infantry, eventually crippling the Pakistan formation। The failure to break through at Longewala shattered Pakistan's offensive plan in that sector, safeguarding Jaisalmer and turning what could have been a deep penetration into a major Indian defensive success। Guys, please like and subscribe my channel, which will help me keep motivated to make more videos। Thank you।